Erin. So if you've noticed that some of your ENJO fibers are feeling a little bit crusty or anything like that, it could be a buildup in your fibers that is a little bit more than what the washing up liquid or orange blossom can handle. So it may be time for a calcium dissolver bath. Now this can be extremely important if you also have hard water. So if you know you have hard water in your area, you should incorporate this into your fiber maintenance. It will help your fibers work the best that they can. So all you're going to do is you want 1 teaspoon of calcium dissolver per 1 liter of hot water. So I know that this bowl holds 4.3 liters because Tupperware tells you on the bottom. So I'm just going to put some hot water in, and then I know that about 3 pumps is a teaspoon for me. So I'm going to fill my bowl about halfway. So that should be 2 teaspoons for 2 liters of water. So you can do this in a bucket, you can do it in a bowl, you can do it in your sink. There's no right or wrong here. You just want hot water from your tap plus your calcium dissolver. So it's not very difficult. That's your whole recipe. So then you're just going to take your fibers and you're going to literally soak them in that hot water. So this will help if your endophils aren't drying the way that they used to. It could be that there's a buildup in them. So literally, I'm just going to leave them in here for an hour or more. And just every now and then, like if you walk by, give them a, little agitation like it would get in the washing machine if you've got a top loader. And that's as hard as it is. It's very simple. Just leave it there. So once you've soaked your fibers for a little while, then you can take them out, give them a rinse just with some regular warm water, and put them into your laundry bags, and then you can throw them in the washing machine. So it's as simple as that, and it will really help with the way your fibers are working because they're just going to have a better clean. So I hope you enjoyed that. Bye.